Home sellers, would you like to get multiple offers when selling your house? Here are 5 ways to get multiple offers on your home. Number 5, presentation and first impression is very important. Curb appeal and staging of your home to make it look beautiful when the buyer first walks in. Number 4, make sure you get the maximum marketing available, whether it's mail, social media, SEO, all the above. The more people get to see your home, the better it's going to be to get multiple offers. Number 3, depending on the house and the price category, you may also want to do open houses, which will help marketing and exposing it to the masses. Number 2, it is very critical to price your home accordingly. You do want to price your home below market value by a little bit. When the price is low, it's going to generate auction-like environment. That's how you're going to get multiple offers. And number 1, set a deadline when you will be accepting and presenting offers and when will be the cutoff time to look at offers. You will keep the house on the market for about 5 days to a week and do not accept any offers until everybody looks at it, and then you have a cutoff date when to accept the highest and best price. Follow me for more real estate advice. Mike and Team Chobanian.